Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic near and dear to my heart, and probably yours too. Adding volume to fine hair. If you've ever felt like your hair falls flat, you're in the right place. So, why does fine hair often lack volume? It's all about the diameter of the hair strand. Fine hair strands are simply thinner, which means they have less inherent body and are more prone to laying flat. Factors like genetics, hormonal changes, and even product buildup can exacerbate this. But here's the good news. We can create the illusion of thicker, fuller hair. Let's get into those tips. 1. Healthy scalp. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair growth. If your scalp is clogged with product buildup or experiencing inflammation, it can hinder hair growth and make your hair look even thinner. This is where Haircare Anti-Hair Loss Shampoo comes in. It's designed to gently cleanse your scalp, removing impurities and creating an optimal environment for hair growth. The science behind this kind of shampoo is that it can stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which in turn promotes hair follicle health. Regular scalp massages can also help improve circulation and promote hair growth. 2. Stimulate hair growth. Adding new hair growth is the most effective way to add volume. Haircare Hair Growth Serum can be a game changer. This serum is formulated with ingredients that nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. By encouraging new growth, you'll naturally add volume to your hair. Consistency is key with hair growth serums. Apply it as directed and be patient. 3. Volumizing styling techniques. Layered haircuts. Layers add dimension and movement to fine hair, creating the illusion of volume. Blow-drying techniques. Flip your head upside down while blow-drying to lift the roots and add volume. Use a round brush to create lift at the crown. Texturizing sprays. These sprays add grit and texture to your hair, making it appear fuller. By combining these science-backed tips with the right products, like Haircare's hair growth shampoo and serum, you can achieve the voluminous hair you've always wanted. Remember, consistency is key. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips. And check out the link in the description to learn more about Haircare's hair products.